So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by DMCI Homes. So kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So we're here right now at the Fairlane Residences atrium level. So makikita naman natin dito, we're on the ground. So kung tatanungin nyo kung nasa ground level ba ako, wala. We're here at the 7th floor. So ganito guys, kasi each 5 floors of the building, meron tayong tinatawag na atrium level, which is may ground area siya. So makikita naman natin dito yung lugar niya, which is we have 5 floors. So which is the atrium level or the ground floor, and we have the second level. So yung tatlong floors nito, which is covering the sky patio. So yung 2 floors, yun yung closed area, yun yung closed floor. And papakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung big opening spaces natin. Guys, makikita nyo naman sa mga ibang projects ni DMCI Homes, lalo na kung sa QC area kayo, Pasig area, Mandaluyong area, kapag may mga ganitong klaseng opening spaces, that is DMCI Homes. So makikita nyo naman yung trademark na meron tayo. And papakita ko sa inyo, ayan nga guys yung tatlong floor na nasasakupan ng sky patio. And ano ba ang mga benefits ng sky patio? So syempre yung Lumi Vent Technology Design, nagde-derive doon yung Lumi means light, vent means ventilation or the air. So binibigay ng ganitong klaseng technology ang mga end users like us. So yung paggamit ng lights, paggamit ng aircon, mas malilesen siya kasi nga breathable yung area, breathable yung building. So just to make a statement on this, kasi nga si DMCI Homes, they also want to commit as being sustainable na building. So this is one thing na binibigay niya. And syempre, nakakat yung energy, nakakat yung konsumo ng power in terms of electricity. So mas malilesen yung pag-burn ng mga fuel, pag-burn ng mga coals. So ngayon guys, papakita ko sa inyo sa harap. So we have 2 sky patios. So yung isa nakaharap sa amenity level natin, so which is here. Yan. And also on the other side, papakita ko sa inyo yung back side natin. And ito guys hindi lahat ng developers may ganito. Si DMCI Homes lang ang nag-o-offer ng ganitong klaseng technology. So I am vouching for this kind of technology na binibigay ng DMCI Homes. And guys, please do visit us. Lalo na mag-schedule kayo sa akin ng site tripping para at least mas ma-visualize nyo and ma-appreciate nyo yung ganitong klaseng projects na meron kami. So ito nga yung sinasabi ko. So alternate siya yung facing niya. So each 5 floors meron tayong alternating na mga open spaces na ganito. So ang magiging niyan, yung ventilation niyan is pa-zigzag. So this is what we call also the Dragon's Gate. So tingnan nyo guys, siya, parang swerte siya, which means dragon. So sa Chinese nga, sa Feng Shui, siya, malakas na dating yung meron na naibibigay dun sa mga end users natin. And lalo na kung may mga negosyo or syempre kung ano man yung mga horoscope na pwede natin makuha dyan. So ito guys, if you have any details, questions about the DMCI projects, just feel free to call me, message me, and mag-schedule tayo na site tripping just to give you an idea yung mga sinasabi ko ngayon. And guys, please do subscribe and please do follow my page. So Mike PH Property. So Mike PH Property by DMCI Homes, ang aking YouTube channel, and ang aking IG, and ang aking FB page. So maraming salamat guys, and have a great day ahead, and God bless.